The egg, nature's multivitamin. Eggs contain vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin A, vitamin B5, selenium, and almost every other vitamin and mineral required by the human body. One large egg contains 77 calories, 6 grams of protein, and almost no carbs, which makes them one of the most nutritious foods. Now I weigh a little over 160 pounds, and I try to eat 160 grams of protein a day. There's 6 grams of protein in this egg, which means I gotta eat about 26 eggs a day to hit that goal. And would be a little over 2,000 calories a day, which would still be a pretty big calorie deficit. I guess the only question left is, what would happen if I only ate eggs for 2 days straight? Let's find out. I started this journey at 164.4 pounds. This is directly after I ate only non-fat Greek yogurt for 2 days and lost 4.5 pounds. This is where the egg challenge begins. So if you watched my last video, you know that I just ate non-fat Greek yogurt for the last 2 days straight for every meal. So I'm so excited to eat these eggs. Oh wow. It is officially day 2 of eating eggs. I feel great. There's no complaints. Mentally, physically, I feel good. I would say the only weird thing is no matter how many eggs I eat, I just couldn't get full. And eggs are so bland and boring to where like last night, my last meal had 8 eggs. I did not want to eat any more eggs. But even after eating those 8 eggs, I felt like I had nothing in my stomach. It was very similar to the broccoli and chicken diet that I did. It felt empty. So gonna keep going. I ate 20 eggs yesterday. I still hit 120 grams of protein. It's not as high as I usually like. I weigh right around 160 pounds, so I want to try to eat at least 160 grams of protein. 120 is about 0.75 of that, so it's okay, especially just for 2 days. It's plenty to still hold my muscles. So I got 4 going right now that I'm about to eat. Let's go, day 2. So I was gone all day, so I didn't get to eat much. So I decided to do a 5-egg omelet with the 6th egg being a fried egg on top, just because I really want the yolk to kind of break all over it, honestly. Over the 2 days, we hit 36 eggs. That's about 3,000 calories and 216 grams of protein. We lost an additional 2.1 pounds, which means in the last 4 days, we lost 6.6 pounds. Honestly, this challenge was easier than I expected. I feel great. Strength was good. Mental clarity's all there. The only real cons were the eggs got bland and boring very quickly, and I never really felt full. I wasn't satisfied. Would I recommend this diet? No. There's easier ways to get your protein levels and have more flavors. It was cheap, and it wasn't difficult. It was just really boring. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.